Mhm. We have here the Five of Cups energy. This is your energy. Okay? You've cried a lot. Parang halos wala nang lumalabas na luha, no? This is you. Dumaan ka rin dito sa matinding kalungkutan. You do not know what to do because someone right here could be trying to split up or makipag-break sa inyo. Ayaw ninyo, no? For some reason, no, you love that person here, no? You hold that person very dearly sa iyong heart, no? And you've cried a lot because this person right here might be initiating mag-split na tayo, mag-separate na tayo, maghiwalay na tayo. Okay. Let us see. Yeah, look at that. The Lovers in reverse. Maaring may option siya way back before, but it looks like pwedeng hiwalay na sila ngayon or malapit na silang maghiwalay ngayon. Buwahahaha. Yung tawa. Di ba ganun yung tawa ng mga mga bilin? Buwahahaha. Mas gusto ko pa rin talaga yung natural kong tawa mga babe, no, kaysa yung ganung tawa, no. Yung sa mga pelikula mga tawa, no? Yung pang kontrabida talaga. Let us see. Yeah, this person might put you into a third party situation or might be having other option. Oh, Moon in the Judgment card energy, it looks like, no, mga babes, no, para ritong kinukuha ni universe ang attention mo. Para siya rito, no, na naghahampas ng malaking gong. Alam mo yung gong, mga babes, no, yung parang sa tawag ng tanghalan, no. Kapag wala sa tono yung contestant, 'di ba? Pinupukpok yung gong na yun. Ganun, no? Ganun kalakas, no? Yung tunog rito na gustong iparinig sa inyo ni universe, no? Parang kinukuha yung attention mo. Let us see. With the moon right in here, it looks like this is something here that you do not know. Okay? This is something here na parang wala pa kayo ritong kamalay-malay ngayon. But the universe is trying to get your attention, no? Very talaga. Yeah, look at that. See, we have here the devil. Mhm. Major arcanas ay nagpapalibot dito mga babes, no? So, we've got here the devil, the fool, Eight of Wands. Center of the reading is the Ten of Swords right in here. Beside the Ten of Wands in reverse position. What's happening right in here? Yeah, look at that. See, I called this Ten of Wands, no? And we've got here the Ten of Wands, but it's in reverse. This is the Nine of Wands, but this is in reverse. Look at that. See? Oh, what's happening right in here? Ah. Fortune's Wheel andito. Para sa bottom of the deck mo, Three of Wands, Five of Coins, and the Star. Okay? Kung ano 'to, paunang mensahe talaga dito ni universe ang gusto niyang sabihin sa inyo rito. Huwag mo na hayaang makita ulit ang nakita mo na. Ayan 'no. Yeah. That is very moving, 'di ba? So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa po tayong other channel, link down below sa ating description box. So, if interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo makapunta there at araw-araw nag-upload din tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun yung wala tayong gender dito, mga mahal, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat tayo welcome. Puwede rin pong i-switch at pagpalit-palitin ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading ito. At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And timeless din po tayo dito. Pwedeng nangyari na to some of you. Sa iba naman sa inyo, nangyayari na po ngayon. Sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang, kaya naman. Just take only what resonates. So yeah, mga babes, no? Naku, kaya naman pala binibigyan kayo rito ng malaking babala ni universe, like a very big advice, like this major warning right in here, the major na nga, warning pa. Santa isn't coming to town, but your narcissistic ex, no? Or your toxic past lover is indeed coming to town, coming for ya. Yeah, we have here the devil and the fool, an indication that this is someone here who's a trickster, someone right here, no, na parang I'm getting that word na pakinabang, parang napakinabangan ka niya right here, na this person here could be a user, this person here used you to provide his or her, desires, unhealthy desires with the devil energy right in here. But whoever this narcissistic love bomber, gaslighter, toxic past lover of yours is definitely heading his or her way papunta sa'yo. Definitely with the full card energy, this is someone right in here, no, who is definitely crazy, like literally crazy, no, paboya. Kasi naman tong energy na to, this person right in here is someone, no, na hindi ko nakikitang nagba-back out or hindi nagdadalawang isip, hindi siya nag-hesitate. I'm gonna move forward to collective. I'm gonna talk, communicate kay collective no matter what happened, no? And this person right in here will ask for some kind of another chance, no? Like last chance here, no? Sa inyo, no? But with the Ten of Swords right at the center of this reading, mga babes, no? This person, kaya binibigyan kayo dito ng babala ni universe, no? Okay, wag nyo na hayaang makita ulit ang nakita nyo na. It's like saying, no, na parang wag nyo na hayaang ma-experience ulit ang na-experience nyo na with this person right in here, no? Because this person will repeat. Okay, uulitin ko, no? This person here will repeat or uulitin niya, mauulit ang pagkakamali, no? Na muwasak or nagwasak rito sa inyo, mga babes. Kaya naman binibigyan kayo rito ni universe, no, ng malaking babala. Yeah, I'm seeing initials, no? So this person's initials could be letter J, yan, no? And for some reason, I'm picking up na maaring yun ang first letter ng kanyang name, surname, middle name, second name, okay, whatever, okay, whoever this energy is, no? Just take how this resonates. Maybe that's a clue for someone watching, no? But let's keep moving. So nakikita natin dito, no? We've got here the Nine of Wands in reverse position. So whoever this energy is, I do feel like that this is someone here, no, na ito na naman siya, no, kamukat-mukat, no, kapag hinayaan mo siyang bumalik sa buhay mo, no, bumilang ka lang talaga rito ng ilang mga buwan, mga babes, no, siya ay rito, no, hahagip na naman ng temptasyon, no. This person right here is a player, so high chance yung tinutukoy dito, no, na unhealthy behavior ay none other than involving you in a third party situation, no. And yes, this person here, nirelease niya na yung third party ngayon, no, pero yan ay mauulit, no, mga ilang buwan after mo siya ritong tanggapin. Kung yun ang magiging decision mo, this person right here is definitely certified player. Yeah, you're dealing here with the player who is playing hearts, no, ninyo. And I do see that this person right in here is someone, no, na muli na naman kayo ritong paiikutin, muli na naman kayo ritong paiibigin, no, muli na naman ritong magsisinungaling at unti-unti na naman niya rito, no, nawawasakin ang inyo ritong tiwala at tsansang ibinigay sa kanya. With the Ten of Wands in reverse right in here, this person, walang pagbabago. Matagal mo siya ritong hindi nakita, hindi nagkaroon ng balita sa kanya, pero walang nagbago. Ni isang positive changes dito sa tao na ito 'no, wala akong nakikitang pagbabago rito mga bebs 'no. Kaya kung sino man siya madali pa rin siya ritong maaakay ng temptasyon at nakikita ko rito na ito ay talagang mangyayari 'no, sa mga darating na mga buwan. Wala talaga tayo ditong specific na time period, pero yung iba nakita natin dito 'no, in just 5 to 7 months 'no, after mo siya ritong tanggapin meron na naman siyang makikilala ritong bago 'no. I don't know, maybe your person right here is always going into parties, doesn't have to be na sa mga pub ito or sa mga club 'no. Maybe siya ito 'no, na madaling maaya sa mga inuman and you know mga inuman 'no, I'm seeing right in here 'no, blended and yeah, whoever this energy is. Alright, sorry about that 'no, mga babes, I need to answer lang 'no, that, call. But yun nga mga babes 'no, let me just tell you that whoever this energy is, naku! Universe is saying no talaga dito 'no, na wag mo nang hahayaan na bumalik itong tao na 'to na dahil ilalagay ka lamang niya ulit sa isang sitwasyon 'no, na yun din yung parehong sitwasyon 'no, na kinalagyan mo dati 'no, nung nadurog ka, nung upos ka 'no, yung super yung iniyak mo sa kanya 'no, I just heard 'no, 'di naman kagwapuhan, yun ang linaw 'no, and spirits are telling me na wala namang itsura 'tong person mo, wala tayong gender dito, hindi kagwapuhan, hindi kagandahan, 'di ba? Pero yang mga babes 'no, okey, may itsura man or wala, walang karapatan manakit ng damdamin ng iba 'no, that's definitely a no-no right in here 'no, and I do see that whoever this individual is, this person is now trying to make amends sa mga kasalanan niya for now. But this person here, mauulit na naman yan dahil madali siyang, in other yeah, I just heard marupok. Yes, marupok siya sa mga tukso. Mm. At we're pertaining with any specific situations naman but ang pinaka nakikita natin dito 'no, na dahilan 'no, ay ang third wheel, third party, someone else 'no, or ahas right in here 'no. And kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to naka-deal mo rito 'no, yeah, kung ano man 'yan, okey, ano man 'yan 'no, na parang nakasira sa inyong relationship dati, that is the same mystique that this person here na gagawin. That's why the fortune's wheel I hear. Because a history will repeat itself. And this person here, no, nakikita ko rito, no, na universe is telling na wag mo na siyang bigyan rito, no, ng pagkakataon na kayo ay patayin sa pangalawang beses. Definitely 'no, ang tinutukoy ni universe dun 'no is patayin ang inyong heart, ang inyong damdamin 'no. So, wag niyo na siya ritong bigyan daw ng tsansa na kayo ay saktan muli 'no, sa kahit na anong paraan or pamamaraan. So, nakakita tayo dito ng energy na kung sino man 'to na person na ito, this person right in here, ikaw ay move on na sa kanya at ikaw dito ay nakita mo talaga ang kanyang true colors with the devil right yeah, maliban sa pagiging babaero, lalakero at wala na nga siyang itsura daw, like the spirits 'no, ay sinabi sa'tin dito 'no, ito ay posibleng may bisyo 'no, na nakakaapekto rin sa inyong relationship dati 'no, kahit anong bisyo naman 'yan 'no. Manginginom, what else? Nagsusugal might be, okay. So, whoever this energy is 'no, this person is kinda greedy, hindi na naman niya rito alam mo, when this temptation comes in, hindi na naman niya kayo maiisip. That's what the universe is trying to tell me, okay, na sabihin ko sa inyo guys 'no. Kasi now, yeah, this person here is in this type of energy like, I want to ask forgiveness kay collective. If kailangan kong lumuhad, okay, luluhod ako. If kailangan ko ditong suyuin siya, ligawan siya everyday, okay, gagawin ko 'yan, but look at that guys, okay. Isn't it too short for that 5 months, 5 to 7 months right in here for this person here to go back to how he or she used to be? Like a player, 'di ba? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, naku naman mga mahal 'no, 'no? Nakikita natin dito na wala talaga siya ditong pinagbago, isa pa rin siya ritong marupok na nilalang na madali pa rin na maaakit sa mga bagay na panandalian lamang, na. So, with this Three of Wands energy right in here, no, Five of Coins energy, no, block this, situation or event before this thing happens to you. Again, this person here, pwedeng literal na sinasabi rin ni universe, no, na block this person here, no, 'pag nakita mo siya, don't ever talk to this person, don't ever listen to this person here, no, because others of you baka madala kayo rito na kanya ritong very tricky, no, na mga salita, no. This might be someone who will trick your mind, no, yeah, I just heard poison, no. Alam mo dami ko naririnig dito sa reading na ito, no, na mga words, no, na tumutulong sa atin upang mabigyan tayo rito ng guidance, no, sa inyong reading. Whoever this energy is, yeah. Okay, for others of you, maaaring malason ang inyong isipan nitong tao na ito. Okay, at kayo ay madala rito, no, sa muling makikipagbalikan sa kanya. But definitely, this is not an energy here of someone na dapat mong pagkatiwalaan ulit. Okay? Yeah, this is the same face. Yes. This is the same smell. Yes. But this is also the same person who hurt you, who betrayed you, who lied to you. Ne? So, kung sino man ito with the star card energy, because you're now healing yourself, because you're now moving forward here to what's important, no? Kaysa dito sa nilalang na ito, then spirits are saying, okay, protect yourself, save yourself from the devil. Okay, ibig sabihin, distance yourself from this person. If this person try to call you, okay, then hang it up, no? Or turn it off, no? Or patayin ninyo ang inyo ditong cellphone, no? Or if this person here try na i-message kayo, then do not respond, 'di ba? Or, okay, block his or her number, no? Or his or her social media na gagamitin. Okay? So, whoever this energy is, if this person will try to visit you, okay, puntahan kayo mismo, then wag mo siyang harapin. Because others of you, maaari kayo ritong madala sa mga sasabihin niya raw, no? I don't know if this person right in here, no, kung siya ba ay nag-audition sa Sparkle or sa Star Magic, no? Na mga productions. But I do see magaling siya rito magpaikot, no? Ng isipan, okay? So, whoever this guy or whoever this woman right in here, wag mo na siya ritong bigyan ng pangalawang pagkakataon, no? Or wag mo na siya bigyan rito ng pagkakataon, no, na maulit niya muli sa'yo ang bagay na nagawa niya na noon sa'yo. Mhm. Okay, no? It's very clear right in here, crystal clear that the universe wants you, no? The universe na pinoprotektahan nila kayo from this person, no? Kaya binibigay nila itong mga mensahe na to in advance, no? For your own sake, sweetheart, okay? Because they see that you are now fine, you are now doing great, you are now okay, and the universe do not want you to experience this tragedy, okay, again. Alright? So for the initials right in here, yes, we do have, okay, aside from that letter J that we've seen earlier, we also have here other letters, okay? Shall we begin? We have here letter R, we also have here the letter M, and dito rin ang letter O, we also have here the letter E, and dito rin ang letter P, and last but not the least, we have here the letter D. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you so much, Mama Mahal. Again, I'm Rihanna on Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong.